Good afternoon, friends. After a long gap, now we are going to upload a video. First of all, I will express my best wishes to the persons, those who have appeared the PAS examination. If you will go to the questions, you will find that there are some questions which were in the same line available in Mishra Magical Pathway publication study material. So here we will now discuss some important questions on volume 5, and very quickly we will discuss 30 questions, and the last video will be post-office guide part 1 and philately. Maybe 2 or 3 days I am going to upload it, as because it is taking time to select the questions, so there is a delay. So perhaps we are doing very well for the examination. Again, thanks. So first question. The expression Postmaster General means. What is the definition of Postmaster General? Under the expression of Postmaster General, please remember Principal CPMG, CPMG, Regional PMG, and Director of Postal Services, and any other officers, those who are exercising the powers of all the officers are known as Postmaster General. ये थोड़ा सा आपको अलग लग सकता है. The expression Postmaster General means Principal CPMG, CPMG, Regional PMG, and Director of Postal Services. Please remember this question. Question number 2. A sub-office situated in a town or its nearby areas where there is also a head post office is termed as. एक सब पोस्ट ऑफिस है नियर बाई में, एक हेड पोस्ट ऑफिस है, इसको क्या बोला जाएगा? इट इज़ नोन एज टाउन सब पोस्ट ऑफिस. ए फर्स्ट क्लास HO situated at headquarter of a circle or where more than one HO is there. 2 HO होगा और ये सर्कल हेडक्वार्टर में वो ऑफिस सिचुएटेड होगा. ये फर्स्ट क्लास HO situated at the headquarter of the circle or where more than one HO is termed as General Post Office, GPO, like आपका कटक GPO, भुवनेश्वर GPO, दिल्ली GPO. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एनी PO which is situated on a line through mail communication and receive and sort bags intended for offices in advance without opening it is known as. फिर रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. एनी PO which is situated on a line through mail communication and receives and sort bags intended for offices in advance without opening it is known as transit office. Please remember this, transit office. They never open the bags, they will sort the bags. Expand TMO, in charge of a mail agent and mail guard. इसमें एक क्वेश्चन है, आंसर भी है. द TMO शुड बी इन चार्ज ऑफ मेल एजेंट और मेल गार्ड. रिमेंबर दिस. TMO, if you will expand it, it will be transit mail office. So TMO is transit mail office and the officer in charge of TMO is mail agent or mail guard. This question normally comes. I am referring the material. Automatic mail processing centers are function in how many cities in the country? This is important क्योंकि बुक में 2 है जो ओल्ड वॉल्यूम 5. प्रैक्टिकली देयर आर 4 AMPC automatic mail processing centers are there. Expand LSM and MMS. This is related to sorting. Remember this. LMS, letter sorting machine, MMS, mixed mail shutter. If the question will come, a mail motor service आपको लिखने से नहीं होगा. If question comes relating to shutting, MMS means mixed mail shutter. LSM means letter shutting machine. If you will hear the video, you can remember this. LSM sorts how many letters per hour? 35,000. Most important. MMS sort how many letters in an hour? 18,000. Remember this. CBU, KBU stands for dash and dash. CBU, Central Bagging Unit. KBU is Kendriya Bagging Unit. Remember this. RLO का बारे में क्वेश्चन आता है. So what is RLO? RLO is situated at headquarter of the circle. In the headquarter of the circle, RLO will be there, and it deals with unclaimed, refused articles without address or with undecipherable address. So RLO is situated where? RLO is situated in the headquarter of the circle. Next question. The travelling offices of RMS working on a railway or river steamer line is termed as. The travelling offices of RMS working on railway or river steamer line is termed as transit section. Remember this. Travelling offices of RMS working on railway is transit section. The officer in charge of transit section is mail guard and mail agent. Mail offices are dash offices of RMS and are of dash kinds. मेल ऑफिस जो है ये कौन सा ऑफिस है, इनका कैटेगरी क्या है होता है. मेल ऑफिसेस आर स्टेशनरी ऑफिसेस ऑफ RMS. ये अलग लग सकता है लेकिन करेक्ट है. मेल ऑफिसेस आर स्टेशनरी ऑफिसेस ऑफ RMS and are of two kinds. Remember this. Next question. There are bulk mailers. The bulk mailers are supplied with dash, customer list, town delivery list, both customer list and town delivery list, customized sorting list. Remember this. Bulk mailers are supplied with customized sorting list. Please remember this. एग्जामिनेशन में आपको टेंशन नहीं लेना है. Who issued the fixed authorized bag balance on 1st July each year for unit bag office? Who issued the fixed authorized bag balance on 1st year of unit bag office? Post office is a unit bag office. Remember this. So who issue it? SSPOs and SPOs issues the fixed authorized bag balance of a post office. Here another question I am telling. The minimum and maximum cash balance, stamp balance is also fixed by the divisional head. This you can also remember. Another most important question from volume 5. A sorting assistant who works with a sorting office over only a portion of its working hour to assist the set where the work is heavy is called as. जो कुछ टाइम के लिए एक सॉर्टिंग असिस्टेंट काम करेगा क्योंकि इसमें काम ज़्यादा है, फुल टाइम में वो काम नहीं करेगा. ये क्वेश्चन आता है. सॉर्टिंग में वो हेल्प करेगा फॉर ए टेम्पररी पीरियड, से फॉर 1 आवर और 2 आवर. इसको क्या, वो जो सॉर्टिंग असिस्टेंट फुल फ्लेज्ड है इसको बोला जाएगा सब्सिडियरी सॉर्टिंग असिस्टेंट. रिमेंबर दिस, मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. सब्सिडियरी सॉर्टिंग असिस्टेंट हेल्प्स इन सॉर्टिंग only for a portion of his working hours. Next question. Station bundles are prepared when station bundles are prepared when the number of unregistered articles is more than 14. If the unregistered letterhead will be more than 14 for a particular section, then station bundle will be prepared. Sorting bundles are of how many kinds? Sorting bundles are of two kinds. Territorial bundles contains the article more than, this is crucial, critical and also important. Territorial bundles contains the article more than 25. Remember this. In respect of foreign air mail packets, printed papers, newspaper, bundles prepared when the article means for foreign air mail. For foreign air mail packets, printed papers and newspaper, bundle will be prepared when the article is more than 5 or more. Remember this, 5 or more. Check slip is a label tied on dash of the label bundle. Check slip is a label tied on dash of the label bundle, top of the label bundle. Check slip of which color is prepared for ordinary paid, unpaid sorting bundles. Check slips of which color is prepared for ordinary paid and unpaid sorting bundles. Answer is pink. Next questions. Mail bags are question mark, due, unusual, packet, extra. Answer is mail bags are due bags. This is important. There are how many kinds of mail bags? Means mail bags are classified into how many categories? The answer is 3. Which bag to be used for closing an air mail bag? जब एयर मेल बैग क्लोज होता है, ये कौन सा बैग में क्लोज होगा? ब्लू दोसूती बैग, BLUE DOSUTI BAG. So blue dosuti bag is used for closing an air mail bag. Remember, this is important. Another important question. The weight of air mail bag or TB should not exceed how many kgs? It comes in examination. The weight of an air mail bag or air TB should not exceed 30 kg. Please remember this. Register air mail bag to be prepared if the number of article exceed question mark or bulky or there are insured articles. So register air mail bag will be prepared if the number of article exceeds 25. Please hear the video repeatedly so this you can know. Those who have taken the books, most of the questions are there in the book. Those who have not taken the books, they can view it. All should view it. Parcel bag are treated as question mark due bag. Mail bag हमने बोला था mail bag is due bag. Here we are coming to parcel bag. Parcel bag are treated as due bag, no due bag, unusual mail, BP parcel bags. So parcel bags are treated as unusual mail. Bags written by the UBO, Unit Back Office, DBO, District Back Office, CBO, Circle Back Office, PO, Post Office, or sacks containing such bags are termed as bags written by these offices. These bags are termed as packet bags. This you can also remember. Dash houses as rooms have been provided at a terminal or changing stations for accommodation of mail agent, mail guards and van peons. ये सब जाते हैं काम करने के लिए, उनको रेस्ट के लिए क्या क्या प्रावधान है? Which houses has been prepared? Rooms, guest houses, inspection quarter, holiday home, rest houses. Answer is rest houses. Monthly sorting order is issued by Monthly sorting order is issued by, this is important, CPMG, head of the circle. A orders and B orders are issued by RMS in charge, SSRM or SRM. A order, important, A order contains what? Prescribing change in sorting list, prescribing change in mail list, performance of SA and their duties in the mail offices, change in the route list of post offices. A order, remember, A order linked with sorting list. So A order contains prescribing changes in sorting list. Another question, then what is B order? B order contains change in sorting list, change in mail list, performance of a sorting assistant and their duties in mail offices. So B order is related to performance of sorting assistant and their duties in mail offices. The list showing the details of bag to be received dispatched by mail and sorting office is known as sorting mail list, A order, B order, route list, due mail and sorting list. Answer is due mail and sorting list. The list showing the details of the bags to be received and dispatched is due mail and sorting list. Please remember this. Service postcard M26, which are employed for the purpose of determining the relative advantages or alternate mail routes or cause of detention to the articles called are. So service postcard M26 is computation postcard, Meghdut cards, trial cards, printed postcard. Answer is trial cards. Trial cards are posted to determine the relative advantages of alternate mail route and cause of detention to the article. So this there are so many questions. Another question, you are only linked with आपका डेफिनेशन चैप्टर है. सो इसमें हाउ मेनी क्लॉजेस आर देयर इन द डेफिनेशन चैप्टर 57. सो जो क्लॉज नंबर है रूल 7, रूल 8 इसको थोड़ा सा याद रखिए, क्योंकि कभी कभी क्वेश्चन आता है जो सब पोस्ट ऑफिस इज डिस्क्राइब्ड इन व्हिच रूल नंबर 8. जैसे RMS मीन्स रेलवे मेल सर्विस. The first line of communication of railway from Thane to Mumbai. Thane to Mumbai first line communication introduced on which date? Answer it 18 September 1954. We have discussed about BO, SO, all the things in organizational chapter. So please go through all such questions. And this is all about the maybe probable questions for your examination on 31st. So thank you, and I will discuss another 2 to 3 questions which was not related to volume 5. Most important questions. Please remember this. This is related to Post Office Guide Part 1. Post restraint means article superscribed to be kept till call for, article superscribed to await arrival, article addressed care of postmasters or post office. That is post restraint. Please remember this. What is the mode of dispatch of a philately item to foreign country collectors having philately deposit account? जो foreign customer है इसको कैसे वो स्टैम्प जाएगा? थ्रू रजिस्टर्ड पोस्ट अनलेस द कस्टमर डिजायर्स अदरवाइज. दिस इज द आंसर. machine franked articles can be posted at how many offices specified by SPO in license? Please, this is most important. Answer is not more than 2 offices. Not more than 2 offices machine franked article can be posted. Every letter, packet or parcel has to be stamped with the day stamp of how many post offices. According to the general rules of posting, at least 2 day stamp, office of posting and office of delivery. These questions were set in the PA examination, so it may also come in your examination. An aerogram should not weigh more than 3 grams. Another most important question: on Sunday and national holiday as well as post office holiday, which of the following works can be done in night post offices? कौन कौन सा काम हो सकता है? इसमें जो ऑप्शन हम बोलेगा ये नहीं होगा, क्योंकि डिलीवरी फंक्शंस नहीं हो पाएगा, सेविंग्स बैंक पोस्ट ऑफिस सर्टिफिकेट वर्क नहीं होगा, पेमेंट ऑफ मनी ऑर्डर्स नहीं होगा. सो व्हिच दीज वर्क्स आर नॉट डन ऑन संडे एंड नेशनल हॉलीडे इन एनपीओ. ये ऑप्शन आपका क्वेश्चन में आ सकता है. इंश्योरेंस इज नॉट मैंडेटरी फॉर सेंडिंग वॉचेस इन इनलैंड पोस्ट हुज केसेस आर एंटायरली और मेनली कंपोज्ड ऑफ. जो घड़ी होता है, ये जो उनका जो जिसका मटेरियल में वो तैयार होता है, वो कौन सा मटेरियल होने से इंश्योरेंस कंपलसरी नहीं है. ये सिंपल कॉमन सेंस अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. गोल्ड में होने से, प्लैटिनम, स्टेनलेस स्टील और सिल्वर. इंश्योरेंस इज नॉट मैंडेटरी फॉर सेंडिंग वॉचेस इन इनलैंड पोस्ट इन केसेस एंटायरली और मेनली कंपोज्ड ऑफ स्टेनलेस स्टील. स्टेनलेस स्टील से होने से इंश्योरेंस इज नॉट कंपलसरी. दिस इज अवेलेबल इन इंडिया पोस्ट साइट. प्लीज गो फॉर दिस. And you have to remember also the various dimension of the various dimension of the postcard, letter card, etc. Which is the circle headquarter of a postal circle which covers the state of Nagaland. नागालैंड का सर्कल हेडक्वार्टर कौन सा है? जैसे आपका कटक का होता है उड़ीसा सर्कल में भुवनेश्वर, उसका गुवाहाटी, कोहिमा, Calcutta and Shillong. The answer is Shillong. Shillong is the circle headquarter of a postal circle which covers the state of Nagaland. So इसमें आपको बुक को देखना पड़ेगा. और भी from which date India Post started mobile banking facility for its POSB customers? This is product and service. आंसर इज 15/10/2019. जो बुक लिया है मिश्र मैजिकल पाथवे, इसमें सारे क्वेश्चंस है. अभी एग्जामिनेशन तो आपका हो गया वेरी नियरर, आपको अभी बुक लेने से फ़ायदा नहीं होगा. फिर भी फॉर द कमिंग ईयर यू कैन टेक द बुक्स एंड गो थ्रू इट. सो दीज आर सम ऑलरेडी questions put. Another thing, remember, as per post office regulation 2024, the payee name of a money order cannot be altered. The question may come. पहले वो था on payment of second commission, that has been omitted. So no alternation of payee name. पहले वो था, ये अभी omit हो गया. So these are some tips for all of you. I am receiving so many phone calls. सारे वीडियो डालिए. थोड़ा सा एंगेजमेंट था. वॉल्यूम 7 हमने आपको दिए, पोस्टिंग किया था. अभी वॉल्यूम 5 हो गया. आपका एग्जामिनेशन है 31 को. जैसे 50-60 क्वेश्चन का पोस्ट ऑफिस गाइड का हम वीडियो भी डालेंगे. तो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट यू, प्लीज़ गो थ्रू द मटेरियल्स इफ इट इज़ विथ यू, or any other material of any publication with you or India Post site. And I feel all these videos will be very useful. If you will hear this, definitely you will get some questions. So have a good day, and tell your friends to subscribe the video, and you also please see it, so that I will be happy, because it is taking time for me. So I need a help from you to view it and subscribe it. Again, thank you and best wishes for the examination. Have a good day and finally thank you for watching. Thank you.